Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Love County in southern Oklahoma, east central Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, southern Carter County in southern Oklahoma, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles northwest of Rue Bottom, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Ardmore, Lone Grove, Wilson, Dixon, Leon, Overbrook, Rue Bottom, Milo, Lake Murray, Bernieville, Petersburg, and Courtney. Severe thunderstorms can produce tornadoes with no warning. Get to a storm shelter or sturdy building if a tornado approaches. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.